How to save money fast, even if you're broke right now. Think you can't save money because you're broke? Think again. Here's how to start saving money fast, even if you're starting from zero. Step 1. Know where your money is going. If you don't track it, you can't control it. Use a free budgeting app or just write it down. You'll be shocked at how much disappears without you noticing.
Step 2. Cut the quick wins first. Cancel subscriptions you barely use. Switch to cheaper phone or internet plans. Cut eating out by half. You don't need to cut everything, just the stuff that gives the least value. Step 3. Set a daily savings challenge. Can you save $2 a day? That's $60 a month. Make it fun. Use a jar. Use a tracker. Gamify your savings. Small wins add up fast.
Step 4. Create a no-spend zone. Choose 1 or 2 days a week where you spend nothing except on essentials. It resets your habits and builds discipline without pain. Step 5. Make money while you save. Sell old clothes, electronics, or furniture. Use cashback apps for groceries and bills. Even an extra $50 a month makes a difference when you're just getting started. Saving money isn't about being rich, it's about being resourceful. If you can save when you're broke, you'll win when you earn more. This is Smart Money Guide. Follow for more tips to take control of your money, one smart move at a time.